I'm working to try and find the cheapest option for us at the moment. Get your Svsquad merch. I use this cream and it's like peeling now. What the hell is he? Good morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm off to church at the moment. Aussie's at the farm with my brother-in-law. There's a lot of work to do on the farm. Yeah, unfortunately he's missing out on church today. And so this morning I've just been listening to worship music and just getting ready, and I'm not liking my face at the moment, but it's the face God gave me, so I'm gonna be happy with that. I feel so good. I don't know if you guys have noticed in the previous vlogs, but I have been eating well. And this year, I know I say this every single year, it's always on my New Year's resolution list, but this year, I'm going to dedicate my 2019 to being a better me in all aspects of my life, spiritually, physically, emotionally, because I'm a big Suki. I'm going to dedicate this year to be my year to advance. You know, we can't be comfortable, guys. When you find that you're comfortable and you're just getting by, or just okay is all right for you, and that's your standard, then you got to get uncomfortable. You can't be comfortable and complacent. And too long I've been comfortable and I've been complacent in everything. You know, I really let myself go these past couple of years, but I've chosen and I've decided not to dwell on that. Forwards and upwards from here. So guys, I hope that that encourages you today, this morning. I'm a bit nervous going into this role. If he's given me this job, then I trust that he will give me the ability and the wisdom to perform this job to his full ability. Sometimes our human flesh gets in the way and tries to, you know, confuse us. But guys, anyways, I gotta go to church. So I will see you guys after church. Okay guys, so I just got back from church. And I forgot to film yesterday, vlog yesterday, but I bought a pressure cooker. Oh my God! So I made dinner last night in this bad boy, and I made adobo, Filipino dish, and I just love it so much. I'm still learning and I'm Googling recipes to make. Aussie's looking at me like, damn, is that my wife? Aussie.
What's up guys?
Oh, yeah, match made a level, match made a level. Oh. Anyways guys, so if you have any pressure cooker recipes or slow cooker recipes, I got an all-in-one machine. It is a Philips brand, and the reason why I got it was because my friend at work recommended it to me, and I always, you know, there are some days where I just crave chicken soup, and because I'm trying to eat well, as you guys know, I'm dedicating this year to my health, and I wanted to make more soup. So I quickly went after church and bought a few things to make soup. I'm gonna take some to my mummy's. Got some chicken, I got some leek, fennel, I bought some carrots, some pumpkin, some potatoes, and garlic. So that is my soup recipe, of course with spices, but I'm gonna get stuck into it, and hopefully if it turns out good, y'all be seeing the end result. Aussie, how's the farm, Bubby?
I'm so tired. Guys, I'm getting sick. I'm getting sick from the farm. So yesterday and today.
Well, I told you not to go. I told you to come to church. You missed out. Oh, also, that's what I wanted to say. Church was so amazing today. I really enjoyed the word. It was just so powerful and just very, very blessed. Also, I wanted to show you this. I also bought some more slime. Look at Aussie's hair. I'm scared of Aussie's hair. Look. His hair is scaring me. It's attacking me.
Look my tattoo at the back.
No, look at your small little bum. Look at Aussie's small little bum.
Nice.
Nice. Okay guys, so it's been like 40 minutes since the last time, or actually it's been an hour to be honest. And that is my soup. So the pressure cooker actually like cooked it right out, that it's just so tender falling off the bone.
Soup is nice. Nice taste, nice smell. And the chicken is nice and ready.
Guys, I just uploaded a vlog and I hope you guys have watched it. If you haven't, then stop watching this one and go back and watch that one. Aussie has been asleep for like so long. He slept before we had the soup for an hour. After the soup he slept again. I mean, I know he's been at the farm, but he's been asleep now for another 3 hours and he's gonna sleep again tonight. So I'm going to wake him up. Aussie, someone's here! Oh my God. Really? Aussie, can you please wake up?
Sorry.
What? So it's been about an hour later and this guy is still sleeping. Do you like our shirts? How awesome are they? So I'm also working on getting our website up. I know I've been saying that for the longest, but I actually stopped working on it towards the end of the year and now I'm working on it again and I'm getting quotes. That's the biggest issue for me, is just figuring out, like, it's not so much the website, but it's like the hassle of finding out the cheapest option, because I don't want to overcharge you guys or make you feel like I'm profiting a lot from the amount that you're paying for. But if you could give me a ballpark figure of how much you think is reasonable so that I can sort of scout out prices that are that much. I'm working to try and find the cheapest option for us at the moment. Get your Svsquad merch. So Aussie and I are tired of sitting in the house, so we're going for a drive. Chrissy and Lippo are already there with baby Eddie. Finally my Zaddy woke up.
Yeah.
Do you have good sleep?
Because I'm tired.
I know, you're tired, boy. Playing with my slime. I just love making the bubbles. I'll show you what I do. Don't mind the double chin, alright? It's going. You look at this double chin right now. Look at it. And you say bye-bye, because this double chin's not going to stay for the rest of 2019. Is that right, Aussie?
Yep.
You take a good look at it. And if you see it by the end of 2019, you tell me, hey, I thought you said that that double chin was packing its bags and it was going on vacation forever. Anyways, guys, I don't know. This is what I like to do. Ready? It's like so satisfying. It's like an ASMR. Siaosi. Je bent jij. Oh my God. Je bent jij. Maar zijn wij. Hey, I know someone said opentie wikis. Ah, je even pegas opentie is wat je pentie. Opentie is wat je pentie. Wait what? Nem coisa se eu não caia, morepi. Just kidding. Oh, that was so funny. Let me do it again. Anta wea si osi shot. Anta wea si osi shot. Anta wea si osi le masai mai. Anta wea si osi le masai mai. Look at him smirking.
Anta wea wa ay kakanan lang nga.
What the hell, Aussie?
That's what Masai.
What the hell? No. Just the thought of it. Just the thought of it. So we're here at the park now, and we're just gonna go and dip our feet in the water. Look how nice it is, guys. Twinkle toes. Hi, Bubby. Guys, I just woke up and I had an allergic reaction and the skin on my face is peeling. See, can you see the brown skin? I used this cream and it's like peeling now. Oh my gosh. Ow. Ah. Oh, this is so satisfying.